Lunchboxes that you pack for summer camp provide kids with the energy they need to run, play, jump, sing, and have fun during all of their day's activities. My name is Julie Aubé, nutritionist for Extenso, and here are my tips. Since taking care of the planet is a responsibility that we all share, here are various tricks you can use to make sure your lunchboxes this summer are a little more eco-friendly. Here we have a lunchbox, and here we have everything you find in a garbage can. Let's start with the lunchbox itself. Lunchboxes that have an insulating liner are great because they help keep your lunch cold until lunchtime. But the fact that they're also reusable is great too, since it reduces the amount of plastic bags you use to carry your lunches to summer camp. To wrap foods inside the lunchbox, we sometimes use plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or disposable baggies. It's much better to use reusable containers. Another very common staple in many lunchboxes is the single-serving container, but they're not very eco-friendly. It's better to buy the larger containers and take the time to portion them out into smaller reusable containers. It's more environmentally friendly and economical since the larger containers are often lower priced. The same goes for drinks. The smaller formats are less eco-friendly than the larger sizes, which you can pour into smaller containers like a reusable water bottle. Also try to avoid disposable plastic utensils. You can easily find reusable utensils that often come in a rainbow of colors, which makes it fun for kids. Napkins and paper towels are also tossed in the garbage, so a nice idea could be to use dish towels that can be washed and reused throughout the summer. When you go shopping, you often see fruit and vegetables covered in a plastic wrap, which is absolutely unnecessary. Always choose fruits and vegetables that come unwrapped. And speaking of shopping, don't forget to bring your reusable shopping bags. The foods you choose is also important. You make responsible choices when you go for foods that are locally grown and have traveled less far to get to you. We're very fortunate to be able to enjoy an abundance of fruits and vegetables that are grown in Quebec during the summer. They are beautiful, varied, and fresh, and you can use them as a source of inspiration for your summertime lunches. With all of the tips I've given, there's really no reason for your lunchbox not to be eco-friendly this summer. After all, it's your children's bellies that you're trying to fill, not the garbage can.